show you something very interesting. Here, this is a soft velvet pouch. Inside this pouch, I'm going to carefully put two different pens of distinct colors, one bright red and one deep black. And as you can see, there are exactly two of them. A whiteboard. A whiteboard is something you can write or draw anything on. Now, please help me check that this whiteboard doesn't have any issues. Yes, it's perfectly normal. Nothing wrong with it, right? Good. Let me check this one as well. This is also very important. They're all perfectly normal whiteboards. Okay, good. Next, first of all. All right, I'm gonna draw on this whiteboard. I'll just draw a random shape. Let's say a star, okay? All right, Jing Xing, using a red pen, please draw something in this area. Just draw anything you like. You can write, doodle, or whatever you want. Sorry, a very, very cute little sun. A little sun, okay? A 5-pointed star and a sun. Actually, they're both things in the sky, just two different ones. All right, for the next part of our session, would you please be so kind as to give me one of your hands? Yes, this hand right here is perfect, okay? And now I am going to carefully place your beautiful little sun right here on the palm of your hand. There we go. Hold it carefully, and the 5-pointed star is in my hand. Next. And now it is finally time for the big reveal. As you can clearly see, my 5-pointed star has completely disappeared into thin air. I invite you to take a very close look and check for yourself. It is really and truly gone now. Now, I want you to very slowly and carefully open it up to see what remains inside. You can see that it can't be wiped off. My 5-pointed star, your sun. Open it every day.